Hey, what's up? Roberto Tan here, and today we will be unboxing and testing out this Edon circular USB fan I just bought from Lazada for 800 pesos, and shipping I think is around 50 pesos, so total is around 850 pesos for this circular USB fan. Now, the reason I bought this is I've been looking for a portable fan that I can use in the room that can rotate. So I found this in Lazada, and it does rotate, and we will check how strong the fan is and see if it's worth the 850 pesos that I bought it for. So okay, let's open it up. It's got a really nice box. Okay, so let's open it up. I like how it's packed real nice. Let's take it out. Okay. So here it is. And it opens up, so you can tilt it if you want around. So there's also a, if you want to hang it on the wall, so it also has that slot over there. Okay, let's check it out. Let's put this away. So it's just that, and it comes with a USB charger and manual. So the manual we have here, well, it's in Chinese, so it's not going to be much help for me. So maybe I can look over the internet and find if there's a an English manual, but it's pretty straightforward how to use it. So you charge it here. There's a port there where you charge it. It says to charge it around 2 to 3 hours, and it's supposed to last a couple of hours. So it has 4 modes. So if you look, if you press it, it has 4 modes. So there, that's slow. 2, you can hear it. Then 3, 4, and off. So you have 4 speeds. This first, yeah, where is it? Second, it's very strong. I like how it's very strong, and there's also a light switch here. I don't know. Oh, the first switch is because it rotates. So if we press it here, you'll see the fan rotates. That's actually the reason why I bought this, because I want it to rotate from left to right, and just don't want it steady on you. So you just switch it off. Then I think if you this, it also has a light, so if you press it long enough, I don't know if you can see it, but there's a light. So it could be also a night light, and also a fan, an extra fan for you if you don't want to use air conditioning, and you're just, or put it on your desk. And the fan is strong, so it has 4 modes, slow to fast. And in the fast mode, you can really feel, even if it's far, you You can feel the air. So it's pretty simple. So it's tilt. You can hang it on the wall if you want, or you can put it on the table. For 850 pesos, I don't think you can go wrong. I will test. I'm gonna, hopefully it'll last long. I'm gonna test it out more, but right out the box, you can see, I think it's worth the 850 pesos that I bought it for. It's made of plastic, but the build quality is very good. So I think it's sturdy enough that it will last. And here, if you're looking for an affordable portable fan that you can use at home, put on the wall, bring with you whenever you go out, use it in your car, a strong portable fan that's sturdy, good build, you can buy this in Lazada for 850 pesos. I could put the link down below. That's about it. So if you like watching unboxing videos like this, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment below. And that's it from me. See you next week. I'm out of here.